I'm Eric, 75 years young. I tried many diets, but to reach my goal of longevity until minimum 125, OMAD cannot be my final solution. I can explain why. Just eat only one time a day has many advantages, but for me, one big disadvantage to keep my full energy level. I am 75 years today, but that is only the beginning of my way to 125. I love to eat just once a day and enjoyed my meals like I have something special every day. But, for example, for my muscle growth, I need some more inputs every 2 to 3 hours, as I cannot put all the protein I need in one meal. So I started to change things not step by step, but all at once, from today to tomorrow, just concentrated on the goal, make the way more simple and clear. I stopped to pack all food at once in the one big meal and divided it into 3 and created a fixed routine for myself. Today, I still eat everything I want, but only within the clear time window of 6 hours. This has 2 big advantages for me. Number 1, it takes my protein in 3 portions of each 50 gram, so nothing gets unused or oxidized. And number 2, I still have my main food in the middle of my 3 meals, whatever I like. I drink my protein shakes, now at 3 times a day, and can be sure that I get enough, spread out over the afternoon and evening. For me, this has mainly changed one thing: less chaos in my head. I no longer have to constantly think about what I should eat or drink next, as my clock easily tells me what it will be. That makes my day calmer and clearer. I know some will say this is unnecessary or too strict or overly simplified. That may be true. Everyone sees it differently. All I can say is, for me, this simplicity works in everyday life. To reach the 125th birthday in a healthy condition, it helps me reduce body fat to 10% and helps me to get my muscles stable in my ideal weight of 70 kilograms, without my mind constantly being occupied with it. Now, I am very much interested to know, do you live more according to a fixed plan like 5 meals a day? Or more spontaneously, just write it in your comments. And how does that affect your hips, your belly, and on the scale? More decrease or increase? Thanks for your comments here in my channel, and just please visit my store, Walter Mal, for more healthy information. Your Eric 125 Longevity. Longevity.